Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech Sudama English. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of operating systems, comparing FydeOS and ChromeOS. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why FydeOS could be your next favorite Android-based operating systems for your PC. So, without getting much more delayed, let's get started. First up, one of the major advantages of FydeOS is its compatibility with a wide range of hardware. Unlike ChromeOS, which is largely locked by Chromebooks and selected devices, FydeOS can breathe a new life into your older PC, laptop, and even some tablets. Want that ChromeOS vibe without buying new hardware? Then FydeOS is your go-to option. Customization is king when it comes to personalizing your tech experience, and FydeOS does not disappoint you. With built-in material theming, you can easily change accent color, icons, and even switch between light and dark themes. It offers tablet-friendly features and ensuring smooth navigation on touchscreen devices. Why limit yourself to just web apps when you can have it all? FydeOS provides full Google Play Store access, so you can install millions of Android apps. Plus, it includes Linux support that makes possible to run desktop applications like LibreOffice or built-in media player. This makes it perfect for both creative work and casual entertainment. Besides Google Play, FydeOS has its own app store and supports direct APK installation. This setup is ideal if you like using custom Android apps that aren't available on Google Play Store. You also get support for Chrome Extensions, making your browsing experience more productive. Gaming on FydeOS. Yes, you heard the right. Gaming on FydeOS is pretty solid. Popular games like Free Fire and Asphalt 8 run smoothly on FydeOS. Some titles even support Xbox controllers for that immersive experience. While it might not rival a dedicated gaming PC, but it's great for casual gamers. When compared to ChromeOS installations using alternative methods, FydeOS stands out for its smooth performance and reliability. It's stable, responsive, and handles multiple apps without any glitches. This makes it a practical option for daily tasks, whether you are browsing, streaming, or working on important projects. So, who should consider FydeOS? Students get a lightweight OS for studying and light productivity. For professionals, enjoy easy access to essential apps with Linux and Android compatibility. For casual users, if you want a fluid and customizable OS without buying expensive Chromebooks, then FydeOS is the way to go. FydeOS combines the best of ChromeOS with extra flexibility and features. Whether you are looking to revive your old laptop or simply want more freedom from hardware restrictions, FydeOS delivers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. If you have any issues or problem, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.